This platform was excellent and it is beneficial, and I'm fortunate that I got the opportunity to participate here.
Conference received a tremendous response, and after my speech also I received a lot of customers showing interest in these technologies. They visited the stall, and I think our purpose is served. As always, I think Techtextil has succeeded in bringing all the stakeholders on this platform.
It's a good platform to meet people from the textile industry, from the application industry, and also from the end user industry.